least want to hyphenate my name.
You're marrying him?
Jake, You knew he was listening.
He deserves to know.
Jake, stop!
Bella, let him...
Don't! Jake, stop! Jake, please!
I'm done. I'm so done.
What can I do?
You can't do anything. I can. By going out there and killing something.
No! You're not thinking clearly. Don't do that!
And maybe I'll get myself killed and make it simple for you.
No! Just... Jake, stay.
Why? Give me one good reason.
Because I don't want to lose you.
It's not good enough.
Because you're too important.
It's still not good enough.
Jacob! Kiss me. I'm asking you to kiss me.
First kiss. I gotta go. I'll be back.
You saw?
No, but Jacob's thoughts are pretty loud.
I don't know what happened.
You love him.
I love you more.